Welcome or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Christina and behind the camera is Diego. For today's video, I decided to bring you guys along for a typical day in Oaxaca because we're here for 2 months, so not every day is fun touristy stuff. It has to be low-key sometimes. So this morning we wanted to go to a Pilates class at a really nearby gym, but we got there and it seemed closed, so that we just came home and did an at-home workout. We made some breakfast and now we're gonna go drop off some laundry and we'll show you guys how that goes and how the rest of our day goes. It's Diego's birthday here in a few weeks, which we're not gonna get to celebrate with him, so we're gonna go to DHL and ship him a gift as well.
Not my birthday, but my little brother's birthday.
Yeah, his little brother's birthday. So come along with us.
Sack of laundry.
There is no washer at our place, but there is a laundromat. But they do it differently here because you don't do it yourself. You pay someone and they do it all for you. They like wash it, they dry it how you want, and then she folds it for us. So we've been doing that once a week and we'll show you how it goes. It's also right around
the corner.
Oh yeah, right around.
It's like 30 seconds to get here. It's so nice.
Dropped off our laundry. It was 4.4 kilograms, which I'm pretty sure is what, like 2.22 pounds? I think it's like 2 pounds, half of it.
Yeah.
And it cost us 111 euros, or not euros.
Mexican pesos.
Mexican pesos, which is like $5 and a few cents. And it'll be ready on Friday, so like 2 days. And that's how we do our laundry here. I wanted to show you guys this bill because we've been getting the newer bills lately. And they're really pretty. They have nice designs. I want to keep them as souvenirs, but we also need them, so.
And this is how she writes everything up.
For Diego.
Jaywalking at its finest.
We are now in the, I always butcher the name, Jalatlaco.
Jalatlaco
neighborhood. It's a really cool neighborhood. It's actually pretty small from what we've seen, but it's super colorful. It has a lot of cool artisan shops.
Street art.
And street art, yes. We're gonna look for a card to send with Diego's brother's gift.
¿Esto a los Estados Unidos?
Voy a destapar, ¿eh?
Ok.
Para que no haya detalles por el volumen.
Goal number 1 of the day was to ship out Diego's brother's package, and we did that. We stopped in a spot in that neighborhood we told you guys about. It's called Once in Oaxaca. I love it in there. You can see him like designing the stuff. It's all handmade. Yeah, handmade. He draws and stuff. So we got a postcard from there. And I think it's a good spot if you want any souvenirs or something small from Oaxaca. It's really cool. Now we're gonna go grab a bite at the market nearby.
Yum. something that cleanses the soul.
So we got a little snack slash lunch at the market. The green juices there were delicious. Now we're gonna go to the library that we like to go to work. It has really good Wi-Fi and it's quiet and really nice. I'm excited.
Just whip it out like that.
Good. For the end of the day donut, really good.
Mom loves banda. She said thank you for the video of the banda the other day.
We don't know what kind of parade it is or what it's for, but we just stumbled upon it on the way home, so let's see. We're gonna wait right here.
I'm like stuffing my face with this concha.
I'm still chewing on my donut.
It's just a lot going on tonight. Muévelo, muévelo, muévelo. Hey, hey. Yes, yes.
Oh. Alrighty everyone, we made it home. We got to pass the parade for most of our time in the center, which was really nice. There was military and police as the band, which was cool. So we're here now at the house. We're just gonna make dinner and settle in, and that's kind of the end of our night. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you would like, please leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
Peace.